Hi, uh, good morning, and manager of Gopher Guru. Happy to welcome you all for the yoga webinar on International Yoga Day. We welcome our guest, Mr. Yoga Kalimamani, Mr. P. Krishnan Balaji. Mr. P. Krishnan Balaji has awarded with Yoga Champion in 1987 and Yoga Ratna in 1992, Yoga Kalaimamani Award in 2009, Lifetime Achievement Award in 2015, awarded International Yoga Award in 2015 and 2017. Sir is the president of Sri Patanjali Maharishi Yoga Training Center from past 32 years. Welcome, sir. And we welcome Ms. Parvati Krishnan, daughter of Mr. Yoga, daughter of Yoga Kalimamani, Mr. P. Krishnan Balaji. Madam is in the field from past 18 years, completed her diploma in Ashtanga Yoga course. We are happy to welcome you, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. And we welcome Mr. Kayambu Ramalingam, CEO of Gopher Guru. Uh, Mr. Kayambu Ramalingam started the company Gopher Guru in the year 2007. Gopher Guru successfully completed 13 years for the service of online classes and international educational tours. Gopher Guru online classes have best 3,000 tutors for various courses offered for the worldwide students. Gopher Guru offers extracurricular activities, academic classes, and competitive preparation classes through group and one-on-one for the worldwide students. We welcome you, sir. We welcome Mr. Shankar, Chief Operating Officer of Gopher Group. Welcome, sir. Once again, I welcome all the participants from the worldwide, India, USA, Japan, and UAE, and more. Welcome you all. Happy to welcome you all. Thank you.
Yes, sir. You can start, sir. Thank you.
God bless us and all in the world, peace, happiness, purity in mind, health and wealth. I am Krishnan Balaji. First of all, I thank you for giving me wonderful opportunity for Gopher Guru on the occasion of International Yoga Day today to deliver my experience in the field of yoga, mudra and meditation. Thank you very much. As you are aware, we are all practiced yoga from our childhood onwards. When you come to the earth during birth, first the head comes and then the legs. That is called Sirasasana. The baby is lying on the floor. It hits the legs one after another. Then it raises both the legs 1 feet. That is called Ardha Kalasana. Then after 3 months, the baby lying on his stomach in the floor and raise that hand. That is called Bhujangasana. After 6 months, the baby is sitting in Vajrasana or Sukhasana. Then the baby slowly try to stand and sit. That is called Utkatasana. After 9 months, the baby slowly try to touch their leg finger with the help of their hand finger. That is called Pada Kaska Asana. While sleeping, the baby's hand you watch tightly closed like this. This is called Adi Mudra. So yoga is not a new for us. Then growing, we have forgotten our childhood cases. Now we have to practice yoga very slowly and steadily. So yoga is not a new one. Each and every person practice it in our life. There was a marriage occasion. It was crowded. I was also there. Each and every person was given second to each other. One person informed, I am a diabetic person. Other person also informed, congratulations, I am also a diabetic person. I saw another side, two persons, even second, I am a BP patient, I am a neck pain patient, I am a back pain patient. Nowadays, people have forgotten their names, much more bother about their diseases. Definitely, we can lead our life in a happy and a healthy manner by way of yoga, mudra, simple meditation. So today we going to see how to lead our life without stress. The same marriage occasion, two persons were talking each other. One person informed, I am having more stress. I am not able to live. The other person also informed, yes, I had also having more stress. The two persons are LKG and UKG students respectively. Now the stress comes on that basis also. So we can lead our life without tension, without stress, by way of practicing simple mudra. Our body is made of millions of cells. Each cells are having Panchabhuta, five elements. The earth is also having five elements: fire, water, earth, agas, and air. So, the five elements are controlling in our body. The total control of five elements is in the fingers only. So, this is fire element, this is water, this is earth, this is agas, this is air. Mudra means we have to practice through our fingers, merge the, unite the each finger. It is not only finger joining, Panchabhuta elements are joining. Suppose if you are having fear, your inner parts, kidney will affect. If you are having worries, continuous worries, heart functioning, thymus gland will affect. So if you practice mudras, definitely you will get wonderful chronic energy, each inner parts of the Douglas glands and mind. We can lead our life healthy and happy manner. Last week, I had one experience. I had conducted corporate yoga training through online basis like this. In left side, GM and right side, HR is there, were there. The meeting started. I have delivered my speech through online. While delivering my speech, I am having some light off. Immediately, both the two persons went out the room. I thought that they were bringing to give some water, but I saw two medical representatives were entered in the room. Sir, please come out. Ambulance is ready for you for testing coronavirus. Whether you are having corona, please come out. This is the present situation. Don't worry. Definitely, we can lead our life with wonderful immunity power by way of practicing mudras. Today, we have to see important mudras which will give mental peace and also body health. Peaceful mind, positive energy, positive thinking, stress relief, and healthy life. How to practice mudra? First, sit in a straight manner. Your backbone should be in a straight manner. Close your eyes. Watch your breathing for 20 seconds. Just closely watch your breathing. Your backbone should be in a straight manner. Close your eyes. Watch your breathing for 20 seconds. Open your eyes very slowly First we have to practice wonderful mudra is called the chin mudra. Like this, join the tip of the index and thumb finger like this. This is called the chin mudra. Your hand should be in a deep position. Okay. Close your eyes, watch your breathing. You have to give simple pressure in your fingers. Tip. Closely watch your breathing in a relaxed manner for 2 minutes. This is called the chin mudra. Anchor, tension, stress will relieve if you practice this mudra. Negative thoughts definitely go. Positive thoughts will increase. Your brain cells will activate very well manner. Heart functioning will be very well manner. There is no tension, there is no stress. If you have any tension, any stress in your body and mind, if you practice this mudra for 2 minutes, definitely it will be go. Just closely watch your breathing in a relaxed manner for 2 minutes. Your backbone should be in a straight manner. Watch your breathing. You have to give simple pressure in your fingertips. Just closely watch your breathing in a relaxed manner. We are merging fire and air element. Thumb finger is fire element, index finger is air element. Now you are joining the both elements. It will cause all tension, all stress in your body and mind will remove. Definitely you will lead your life in a healthy and happy manner. Heart functioning will be heart will function very well manner. There is no tension on that part. Just closely watch your breathing in a relaxed manner. Relax. Open your eyes very slowly. In your home, you have to practice this mudra for 2 minutes before food. Suppose if you are having food, 2 hours gap is enough. Then you have to practice important mudra, Vayu mudra. You just watch. Index finger like this, and thumb finger on middle side. When your index finger, the thumb finger like this. This is called Vayu mudra. Your hand should be in a deep position. Close your eyes, watch your breathing gently. Gastric problem will be released. Knee pain, neck pain will be released. Just to closely watch your breathing. Hip pain also will be released. Those who are having knee pain, neck pain, gastric problem, if you practice this Vayu mudra for 2 minutes, you have to continuously practice daily for 2 minutes only. After 21 days, definitely you will get a wonderful result. Just to closely watch your breathing in a relaxed manner. Your backbone should be in a straight manner. Close your eyes, watch your breathing. Give simple pressure in your hand finger, thumb finger. One mind you have to watch your breathing, and another mind you are giving simple pressure in your hand finger. Apply your weight on that part. Relax. Slowly open your eyes. Come to normal position. Then we go to practice one more important mudra, Abana mudra. Bend your middle finger and ring finger and join your thumb finger like this. This is Abana mudra. Your hand. Sit in a straight manner. Watch your breathing gently. This mudra also, our heart function will function very well manner. Thymus gland will function very well manner. Indigestion problem will be solved. Gastric problem also solved. Just to closely watch your breathing. Shoulder pain, neck pain. Those who are having shoulder pain, neck pain, you have to practice this mudra for 2 minutes. Definitely it will be cured. Just to closely watch your breathing. You can practice each mudra 2 minutes only in your home. Relax. Now we are going to practice wonderful mudra. It will be cured diabetes. Varuna mudra. Join your little finger and thumb finger like this. This is called Varuna mudra. Keep your hand like this. Close your eyes, watch your breathing. This is called Varuna mudra. Our pancreas will function very well manner. This mudra, if you practice this mudra, definitely after 21 days, those who are having diabetes, definitely you will be cured. You have to practice this mudra for 5 minutes, morning and evening before food. Is there any skin problem? If you practice this mudra, definitely it will be cured. Water element in your body will be maintained correctly. Closely watch your breathing in a relaxed manner. Relax. Then we have to practice Ibad mudra, Adi mudra. Your thumb finger like this. Hold your all 4 fingers tightly. This is Adi mudra. And sit in a straight manner. Inhale very slowly, deeply. Exhale very slowly, deeply for 5 times. Then you have to concentrate your breathing in a relaxed manner. Immunity power will be increased. Our heart functioning, pressure will be reduced. It will be come to normal position. You will get wonderful positive energy. Fear will be reduced. The anger will be reduced if you practice this mudra. Closely watch your breathing in a relaxed manner. Relax, normal position. In your home, you have to practice 4 to 5 minutes this mudra. Then Imatan mudra, Hagini mudra, join your all hand fingers like this, tips, tip of the finger like this. Watch your breathing gently. Give simple pressure in each tip of the finger. Memory power will be increased. You will get wonderful concentration. Pressure should be reduced and come to normal position. There is no fear in your life. Positive energy will be increased. This is also called student mudra. Each and every student before studying You have to practice this mudra for 2 to 3 minutes. Definitely, you will get wonderful concentration memory power. Closely watch your breathing in a relaxed manner. Always sit in a straight manner. Your backbone should be in a straight manner only. Relax. Then we have to practice important mudras. Mugada mudra like this. Join your 4 fingers towards thumb. This is called Mugada mudra. Your hand should be like this. Panchabhuta, 5 elements in our body will be functioning very well manner. You will get wonderful immunity power. If you practice this mudra, definitely corona, any virus, we can protect it if you practice this mudra for virus. Just to closely watch your breathing in a relaxed manner. Thymus gland will be functioning very well manner. So our heart functioning also will be functioning in a very well manner. Just to closely watch your breathing, you will be getting wonderful immunity power. Panchabhuta, 5 elements in your body will be functioning correct manner. Just to closely watch your breathing. Relax, come to normal position. Suppose if you are having mental worries or body pain, you can practice this Mudra Mudra for 3 minutes. Definitely you will get wonderful body energy, mental energy. You can realize this mudra. Then one important mudra, Linga Mudra, join your all fingers interlocked. Left thumb finger will be in a straight manner like this. Join your all interlocked, all your fingers will be interlocked. And left thumb finger will be in a straight manner like this. Your hands will be like this. This is called Linga Mudra. Overheat in our body and mind will be reduced. Those who are having fever sensation, immediately you have to practice this mudra for 5 minutes. Definitely the heat in our body will be come to normal position. Lungs functioning will be very well manner. Is there any sinus or asthma? You can practice Linga Mudra daily, morning and evening, 5 minutes. Definitely you will be rid of asthma, sinus and body heat, overheat. Headache will also relieve if you practice this mudra. Your left hand thumb should be in a straight manner like this. Give light, simple pressure in your all fingers. Relax. Then one important mudra, Surya Mudra, bend your middle finger like this, and thumb finger in upward manner. Bend your middle finger, then thumb finger like this. This is called Surya Mudra. Close your eyes, watch your breathing. Those who are having any heart problem, lungs problem, thyroid, parathyroid problem, neck pain, ear pain, it will be released. Overweight will also reduce if you practice this mudra. You will get wonderful immunity power also. Those who are working continuously in computer and laptop, you can practice each 2 hours gap. You have to practice this mudra for 2 minutes. Definitely you will be relieved from head, neck pain. Relax. Then one more mudra, Prana Mudra, like this. Ring finger and little finger bend your ring finger and little finger, thumb finger like this. Prana Mudra. Close your eyes, watch your breathing. Our kidney function will be functioning very well manner. Eyesight will be improved. Those who are having not sound sleep, if you practice this mudra before sleeping for 3 minutes, definitely you will get wonderful sound sleeping. You will be getting wonderful immunity power also. Relax. So the very important mudras we saw today, and in modern world we are not having any time to practice 10 mudras. So don't worry, in 10 mudras also, very important 5 mudras you have to practice daily. After finishing stage, I will inform what is the important 5 mudras. Then next we have to practice simple breathing exercise that is called the Nadi Shuddhi. In our yogic science, per day we are inhaling and exhaling 21,600 times. One inhale means while inhaling we are receiving 8-inch prana, while exhaling we are breathe out 12-inch prana. So each prana, 4-inch of prana we lost. So if you practice Nadi Shuddhi, simple Nadi Shuddhi daily, it will be remodified. After 3 months, each and every breathing you inhale 12-inch of prana and exhale 8-inch of prana. So each prana you are saving 4-inch of prana. In our lifestyle, we will improve. Definitely, we will be leading our life in a healthy and happy manner. Our real asset is prana. So definitely daily we have to save our prana by way of Nadi Shuddhi. Not only the benefit, our lungs will be functioning in a very well manner. There is not dust forming in our lungs, in our heart. So very simple. There is no side effect, without side effect, but wonderful result, wonderful benefit will be attained if you practice Nadi Shuddhi. Step by step we have to practice. First sit in a straight manner. Your backbone should be in a straight manner. Left hand should be chin mudra like this, and your thumb and index finger. Left hand. We have to use our right hand finger only. Right hand thumb finger close to the right nostril. Inhale very slow and deeply through left nostril. Exhale very slow and deeply through left nostril. 10 times. Very slow and deep inhale. Very slow and deep exhale. While inhaling, your stomach will come upward. While exhaling, your stomach will go down inward. Very slow and deep inhale through left nostril. Very slow and deep exhale through left nostril 10 times. Relax. This is first step. Second step is called you have to close the left nostril. Deep inhale, very slow and deep exhale. Relax. The third step is inhale left nostril, close your right nostril, inhale left, close your left nostril, exhale right. First watch, left inhale, right exhale. In same manner 10 times. Again left inhale, close your left nostril, exhale very slowly through right nostril. 10 times. Again left inhale, right exhale. Relax. Those who are having any suffocation, you just relax for 10 to 20 seconds and then slowly practice. The next stage is inhale right, close your right nostril, exhale left. Again inhale right, close your right nostril, exhale left. In the same manner, 10 times you have to practice. Relax. Relax. Just watch your breathing for 10 seconds. Just to closely watch. Close your eyes, watch your breathing. Now you are getting wonderful body, mental energy through prana. Open your eyes. One more exercise. You just watch. You got to practice continuously like this. Inhale left. Close your left nostril. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale. Rounding up, you got to practice. Start with the left. Rounding up. Slow and steady. Relax. Now one more cooling pranayama. Both the hands like chin mudra like this. First watch. Inhale through mouth like this. Close your mouth. Exhale through nose very slowly. 10 times. You can practice now. Close your mouth. Breathe out very slowly through nose. Inhale through mouth, close your mouth, exhale through nose. You feel while inhaling you are receiving cooling prana in your body. While exhaling through nose, the heat prana will come out. One more time. Close your mouth, breathe out through nose. Relax. During the lockdown break, I hope you are having so many experience while purchasing in your home materials, eatable materials. Last week, I went to purchase one packet in one bakery. There are 3 to 4 counters are there. The security person informed us, so please go in first counter and then you have to come in second counter. I went to first counter. There is only register is there. The one person of the bakery informed, please fill up all details. In the register, serial number, name, date of birth, Aadhaar card number, cell phone number, home address. So I asked, why you are asked all kinds of details. Just I want one packet only. He informed, sir, you first fill all details. Daily, after closing our bakery shop, we are taking test for all our staff, corona test. Suppose is there any corona is confirmed in any one of the staff, immediately we will hand over the register to the health department, and health department people will come to your house and take for corona test entire family. I was very much disappointed, and then I went to second counter. One person with his gun. I shocked. He informed, don't worry, sir, this is not a gun. This is the temperature checking machine. You please cooperate for me. I informed, please remove your gun. I do not want any gun. I went to my house. So this is the present situation in our country. All people are having fear whether we are having corona. Don't worry. If you practice mudra, if you practice nadi suddhi, this breathing exercise, definitely you will get a wonderful immunity power. There is no fear for any virus. Okay. Now we have to practice simple stretching asanas, very simple asanas without any side effect. And then we have to practice stress relief chakra meditation. I went to one important incident in our life also. I have to share with you. I want to meet my friend who was a millionaire. On the way, I met my college mate who had in thought that happiness lies only in money. Those who are having enough of money, definitely they can lead their life in a happy manner. That is my friend thought. My friend asked me, where are you going? I informed I want to meet Mr. Kuber. Immediately he asked, so is he a millionaire? Yes, he is a millionaire. Shall I also come with you? I said yes. Both were went to his house. In this bungalow, there are 20 cars parked in this bungalow. My friend asked, why 20 cars are there? He will be using each and every day different car. My friend informed, I am having only a small cycle. How can I lead my life happy manner? I never told anything. Then we enter in the reception room. Different kinds of TVs are there. Why so many TVs are there? Daily he will be watching different kinds of model TV. My friend informed, I am having a small TV. My friend very much happy. So I am going to see the billionaire. We finally went to the billionaire's room. He inquired about my friend and gave a seat. With the tears in his eyes, the host informed, because you have given last 1 week for some important mudras, yoga, asanas, I slept 2 hours only. Then immediately he saw my front face. Do you have any disease in your body? My friend simply informed, no, I am not having any disease. I am well and healthy. Immediately the richest man informed, congratulations, you are a richest man in the valley. My friend Ashtanachal saw. Then only informed that millionaire is having so many diseases in their body. Ulcer, cancer, back pain, neck pain, stomach pain, piles. Now he is not able to sleep even 1 or 2 hours. But he is also having wonderful wealth, wonderful properties. Now only my friend understood, oh, health is wealth. So in this auspicious day, I request you one and all, wonderful opportunity you are giving, you are having to go for good. So you please practice sincerely these simple mudras, breathing exercise, and simple yoga. Definitely, you can lead your life happy and healthy manner. Sit in a straight manner. Now, join your both the hands upward like this. Join your both the hands. Deep inhale, deep exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come to your hand in flow. One more time. Inhale and you closely join your both the hands like this. Deep inhale, deep exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out, come to your hand on the floor. Normal breathing. This is called the Parvatasana in Sukhasanas. Those who are having neck pain, back pain, hip pain, if you practice this asanas for 3 times, 10 seconds, definitely it will be relieved. Then raise your hand like this. This is called the Adi Mudra. Okay. Inhale, come to your hand like shoulder position. Exhale, relax. One more time, inhale. Breathe out, come to your hand normal position. One more time, inhale. Breathe out, normal position. Inhale, breathe out, normal position. Relax. Why I am keeping very simple yogic exercises? Because different kinds of people are watching, and student level 2, very high age of old people also watching and seeing this program. So you are all having some problems in your body and mind. Without side effect of yogic exercise only I am giving you. So if you practice this exercise, definitely you can lead your life healthy manner. Then important asanas, you just try Vajrasana. You just watch. If you are not right, you are not able to do these asanas, don't worry, just watch. Like this student can practice this asana very well. In your home, you please ask your student to practice this Vajrasana. Close your eyes, watch your breathing. Deep inhale, deep exhale. You will get wonderful concentration. Your memory power will be increased. You will be receiving positive energy. All negative thoughts will be go out. Yoga means obey mothers and fathers' words. You should give respect to father and mother and your parents and teacher. That is called the Satvika character. If you practice Vajrasana in childhood age, definitely your character will be improved. If wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. So you have to build your character in a wonderful manner by way of Vajrasana. Come to normal position. Now we have to practice simple relaxation of body and mind, stress relief meditation. This is called the Dhyana Mudra. Left hand outside, right hand in upward. Join your thumb finger like this. This is called the Dhyana Mudra. And to be like this. Close your eyes. Watch my instructions and act accordingly. Focus your mind to your head outer parts of our muscles. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. Think that the tension on that muscles is now releasing. Relax deeply with the help of your mind. Deeply relax. Shoulder outer parts of our muscles. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. Think that the tension on that muscles is now releasing. Relax deeply. Right hand outer parts of our muscles. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. Think that the tension on that muscles is now releasing. Relax deeply. Left hand outer parts of our muscles. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. The tension on that muscles is now releasing. Relax deeply. Just outer parts of our muscles. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. The tension on the muscles is not releasing. Relax deeply. Stomach outer parts of our muscles. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. Right leg and left leg outer parts of our muscles. Relax deeply. Focus your mind to your brain inside. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. There is no mental worries. Relax deeply. Pituitary and pineal gland, which is nearer to your brain. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. Throat inside, thyroid and parathyroid. Concentrate on that part. Relax deeply. Heart inside, thymus gland. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. There is no tension on that part. Relax deeply. Stomach inside, organ, small intestine, pancreas. Concentrate on that part. Deeply relax. Right leg and left leg inside. Concentrate on that part. Relax deeply. Now, very slow and deep inhale. Very slow and deep exhale. While inhaling, think that you are receiving energetic prana. While exhaling, think that all tension, stress, body pain, everything is released. Very slow and deep inhale. Very slow and deep exhale. Focus your mind to your spinal cord end portion. That is called the Mooladhara chakra. Spinal cord end portion, inner portion. Closely watch your breathing on the chakra. Think that you are receiving energetic prana on the chakra. Gonad gland is functioning with the Kalpasti chakra. Just to closely watch your breathing on the chakra. Think that you are receiving energetic prana on the chakra. Swadhisthana chakra, 4-inch upward from your spinal cord end portion. 4-inch upward from your spinal cord end portion. Try to concentrate on that chakra. Focus your mind on that part. Think that you are receiving energetic prana on that chakra. Just to closely watch your breathing on that chakra. Adrenal gland is functioning with the help of the chakra. Now you are receiving energetic prana on that chakra. Manipuraka chakra, stomach inside. Concentrate on that part. Closely watch your breathing on the chakra. Think that you are receiving energetic prana on the chakra. Pancreas is functioning with the help of this chakra. Just to closely watch your breathing in your stomach inside. Manipuraka chakra. Anahata chakra, heart inside. Focus your mind on the chakra. Closely watch your breathing in a relaxed manner. Now you are receiving energetic prana on the chakra. Thymus gland is functioning with the help of this chakra. Visuddhi chakra, throat inside. Focus your mind on that part. Closely watch your breathing. Think that you are receiving energetic prana on the chakra. Thyroid and parathyroid is functioning with the help of this chakra. Closely watch your breathing in your throat inside. Visuddhi chakra. Agni chakra, in between the two eyebrows. Focus your mind on the chakra. Closely watch your breathing. Pituitary gland is functioning with the help of this chakra. Closely watch your breathing in between the two eyebrows. You are receiving energetic prana on that chakra. Siddhakasa, 4 inches upward from your head. Try to concentrate on that chakra. Now you are receiving energetic prana in your entire body. Slowly try to focus your mind to your Mooladhara chakra, spinal cord end portion, inner portion. Closely watch your breathing on that chakra. Spinal cord end portion, inner portion. Just closely watch your breathing. Now there is no tension in your outer parts of the muscles. There is no tension in your inner parts of your organs. You are receiving energetic prana in your entire body and mind. Oh God, bless us and all in the world with peace, happiness, purity in mind, health and wealth. Slowly open your eyes, come to normal position. Very slowly open your eyes. This is very simple meditation. Those who are not having any experience, previous experience, this is the first time you are practicing. You are having some, you are not able to concentrate in your inner parts of the organs. Don't worry. First, daily you have to practice this simple meditation. Definitely, outer parts of the muscles tension, inner parts of the muscles tension will be released. 1 or 2 months, definitely you can practice this meditation 10 to 15 minutes. Maharishi Patanjali, who is the founder and the father of yoga. This is the temple of Maharishi Patanjali. He is a scientist only. So, it is very great opportunity you are getting to practice this yogic exercise in front of Maharishi Patanjali. Now, we have to practice simple, important mudras. We have already seen 10 mudras. Simple mudras we have to practice, sit in a straight manner. First important mudra, chin mudra, like this, index and thumb finger, tip of the thumb finger joint. Close your eyes, watch your breathing in a relaxed manner for 2 minutes. Tension, stress will be released. Our heart function will be very good manner. You will get wonderful positive energy. There is no pressure. If you have any low or high pressure, if you practice this mudra, definitely it will be cured. In your home, you have to practice 2 minutes each mudra. Relax. Then Abhana mudra, ring finger and middle finger and your ring finger with the tip of the thumb, like this Abhana mudra. In your home, you have to practice 2 minutes, morning and evening. All gastric problem will be released. There is no back pain, neck pain, digestion. If you have any digestion problem, you have to practice this mudra. It will be cured. In your home, you have to practice 2 minutes. Relax. Then Adi mudra like this. Bend your thumb finger, fold your 4 fingers like this, Adi mudra. Inhale very slow and deeply, exhale very slow and deeply for 5 times. Then normal breathing. You will be getting wonderful immunity power. Don't worry about any virus, corona. You just practice this mudra daily, morning and evening, 5 minutes. Our heart functioning will be very well manner. Tension, stress will also relieve. Fear will be relieved if you practice this mudra. You will get wonderful body and mind energy, chronic energy in your entire body. Relax. Then prana mudra. Bend your little finger and ring finger and the thumb finger, tip of the thumb, like this prana mudra. You have to practice 2 minutes. Wonderful pranic energy will receive. Kidney function will be functioning very well manner. Eyesight will be improved. Immunity power, you will get wonderful immunity power. Sound sleeping, if you practice this mudra before bed for 2 to 3 minutes, you will lead a wonderful sound sleeping. Relax. One more mudra, Mughala mudra. Join your 4 fingers towards the thumb finger like this. Hand should be like this. Mughala mudra. Panchabhuta will be functioning in our body correct manner. You will get wonderful immunity power. Heart functioning very well manner. Just closely watch your breathing. Relax. So in your home, you just to practice these important mudras daily in the morning and evening, and also practice simple breathing exercise and simple meditation daily, morning and evening. Definitely, you can lead your life very healthy and in a happy manner. There was a flood in one village. Flood will come one village. Government announced to the people to vacate all the people to vacate immediately. One person informed that I am not able to vacate this village because I am daily doing meditation for 3 hours. God will come and then only I will come out this village. The flood level was increased. The rescue people came by boat and asked, please come out of this. But he never come. He always that God will come and then only I will come. The flood level then increased highly. Then he went to upstairs and the rescue people came by helicopter and asked to come out. He never came. Then he died and his soul went to the heaven. He asked angrily to the God, why you are not helping me? God laughed and informed. I have given 3 opportunities. First, I have informed through my please come out of this village, and I came by boat and I came by helicopter. You never come. So, opportunity, when you utilize the opportunity, definitely you will lead a happy and a healthy manner. So, today you are having wonderful opportunity for learning yoga. You please practice and healthy. I thank once again for given wonderful opportunity for Guru. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. So, we're happy that you have, in this day, in International Yoga Day, you have taught us so how to live like peacefully, how to make our life peace, and like how to face this COVID-19 situation by the mudras and the asanas, and how to complete all this thing and take our life in a peaceful and to make our soul peace. So, participants, if you have any questions, you can ask our Kalaimamani sir, Yoga Kalaimamani sir, and if you have any questions regarding Go for Group classes or something else, you can ask us. Do you have any questions? You can raise hands or you can just unmute yourself and you can raise a question. Any participants, do you have any questions? Regarding the classes, regarding the online classes, or regarding any mudras which you want to be, like want to learn more. Yeah, yes ma'am, please.
Okay, நான் வந்து questions இல்ல, but thank you very much for organizing and best wishes. And
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you
Thanks
the
a lot.
sir too, and thanks for the sir too. And
Thank you, ma'am.
எல்லாருக்கும் இன்டர்நேஷனல் யோகா டே வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Thank you, ma'am. And one more thing we want to announce here on this International Yoga Day, that we are happy that we are doing this online yoga from past 13 years. We are doing for group and we are going for one-on-one also. Group classes has been conducted every weekend, Saturdays and Sunday. And we have a one-on-one yoga classes also according to your convenient day and time. What time you like and what day you select, we do a yoga classes through online for you. And for further information, you can contact us, or our executives will be in touch with you. Anybody, any questions, please? Any suggestions or any questions? Yes, ma'am. Mehrun Islam, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can. Ma'am. Any questions? Any questions more? And we request all the participants, please enter your name, mobile number, and email ID in the chat, please. Any more questions? Okay. So thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Making the evening and the morning very great in this International Yoga Day. We thank all of them and happy International Yoga Day, and be peace and make your soul peace and be happy. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.